Hello guys, I hope you all are fine, doing well with your life. So guys, I made one more video for you, of this beautiful mini jewelry box, or you can say accessories box. You can just add and put so many your valuable little accessories in them, and you can just make them safe. So I hope you liked the last video, so that I'm just made this video for you, because there are so many ideas. There is no limit in crochet art. You can find so many designs. So I can make more and more videos on the same topic, because there is no limit of designs and patterns of crochet. So guys, I hope you will love this video also. You will find these beautiful and amazing designs really cute, and you can just watch the color combinations and designs and patterns are really amazing. These kind of things you can make for your loved ones, and you can just give them as a gift. These are amazing gift, because if they will put these beautiful mini box on their dressing, so they will just keep on watching these kind of things. They will have eye on them on daily basis. So these beautiful things will make them remember yourself, and this is the amazing way to just be in the life of your loved ones. So these are amazing way you can make these beautiful projects of crochet and use them, or you can just give them as a gift. They are really amazing with beautiful color combination and stitches. And guys, if you are liking them, please let me know in the comment, and let me know what else you want to watch, so that I can make more video accordingly, and I can make videos on your liking and desire. So you will love watching all the videos. If you are crochet lover, you want to make your project, so don't need to go to different kind of website to find the ideas. You can just go to my channel, as I have so many videos, so many designs with beautiful ideas about the clothing, decoration, or any kind of craft, or blankets, bed sheets. You will find hundreds and hundreds of ideas. You will love all the ideas. You will love all the videos on my channel. If you are watching them, please give me a feedback through your comments. Let me know you liking the videos or not, and if you like them, please share this video with your friends, so that they can also use these ideas, find these beautiful collections on my channel. And guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I make more videos, you just get the notification. I just gathered these kind of beautiful collection for you, to give you an idea about the things which are in fashion nowadays, ideas and collections which are in nowadays about the crochet. As you know, in crochet there are so many ideas. There is no limit of designs and patterns. So you will find more and more videos on my channel on upcoming time, and you will love all the collections, as you are loving these collections which I already shared with you. You can see guys, these all collections, all designs are really amazing. Like these little beautiful 3D flowers on these mini boxes are looking really amazing and stylish. These things looks really amazing when you put them on the dressing table or side tables of your drawing room as a decoration items. It looks really luxurious and amazing. You can just use them as a gift box. You can just put your gift in these kind of boxes to give to your loved ones. They are amazing way to share your love with your loved ones. I hope you liking the designs. Please stick to my channel for upcoming videos. You will be finding so many designs. Thank you.